Hey guys, I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about how to improve wheel spacers safety. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. BONOSS wheel spacers has a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration compared with common. The multi-stage half-century design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. Thanks for watching and have a great day!